MERN. What is it? How does it work? How to create a modern day application using it? If you have these questions in your mind, then you're at the right place. Hi, I am Siddharth Siroya, a seasoned full stack trainer at Cyber Success, one of the leading software institutes in India. Do you know why MERN is so popular? It is popular because it uses a single language, that is JavaScript, for the entire development process. MERN stands for MongoDB, express.js, react.js, and Node.js. MongoDB, a NoSQL database that allows for flexible and scalable data storage. Express.js, a lightweight web application framework that simplifies server-side development. React.js, a powerful front-end library that creates amazing user interfaces. Node.js, a JavaScript runtime that allows developers to execute JavaScript on the server side. So these four amazing technologies can help you create a powerful and an amazing web application. In today's world, MERN is used by many companies, likely Facebook, Instagram, Tinder, PayPal, Airbnb, Netflix, and many more. Based on popularity, community support, and industry adoption, MERN Stack is often considered to have very significant market share. Cyber Success is launching MERN Full Stack Development Course for all of you. So do you wish to enhance your skills, upgrade yourself, and master full stack with MERN and land on a high-paying job? Then enroll for this course now.